Thanks for joining us for another comprehensive and easy-to-follow review. You will agree with us that not all DJ controllers are created equal. We engage a rigorous review methodology and hundreds of hours of research. We then hand-select the very best DJ Pro controller. In preparing this review, we analyzed 10 different DJ controllers and considered dozens of factors including features and benefits, value for money, the reputation of the manufacturer, product effectiveness, product quality, and durability, user-friendliness, customer satisfaction, and so much more. Our final selected DJ controller meets and sometimes exceeded our exceptionally high standards. Therefore, we are confident you will find this DJ controller review extremely useful and provides you peace of mind knowing you're getting the best of the best and the most value for your hard-earned money without wasting much of your time. Let's get started. Pioneer DDJ-1000, Best DJ Pro Controller 2021. Pioneer DDJ-1000 is one of the best controllers available in the market. This is an incredibly sleek-looking 4-channel controller. It comes with an AC adapter and a USB cable. It also contains a manual inside it which serves as a guide to beginners. Its width is around 708 mm with a height of 7.34 mm. The best thing is that despite its volume, the approximate weight of this controller is 6 kilograms. It is a sturdy controller and is very reliable. This controller is quite compact and people can easily carry it to clubs. Just like other high-end controllers, it has a LED screen attached to it. This helps to monitor the sound waves and pitch of the audio. This makes DJing extremely convenient and exciting. It is capable of giving a stable performance. Pioneer DDJ-1000 offers a frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hz. This Pioneer controller has the best ratings. If you are someone who loves to modify their equipment, then this is highly recommended. Another great feature of this variant is its magval fader. Around 10 million movements can take place fearlessly without having the need to maintain or replace parts. This also gives a really smooth and glitch-free experience. The performance pads installed in DDJ-1000 are very efficient. You can switch between various modes in literally no time. Amazing beat loops can be created with a variety of 16 pads just by some hits on the trigger. Not only this, but its smart design has made it user-friendly and suitable for clubs. All of the 4 amazing sounds, namely pitch, filter, dub, echo, and noise, are installed in its FX. Additionally, it includes beats from DJM series mixers, which is again A+. Pioneer DDJ-1000 is a great value for money. Pioneer has been serving with the best quality in this domain for several years now. The smart FX, performance pads, outstanding design, portability, and most importantly its durability is what one can ask for. The best thing about DDJ-1000 is its full-sized jogs. These jogs are designed to provide the utmost comfort while producing mesmerizing mixes. Another great thing about this controller is that it can be easily connected with any equipment and DJ system. A number of people prefer this model over others just because it has great connectivity and operates conveniently. Advantages: high-resolution LED screen display, full-sized jog wheels, 16 performance pads, sleek design, amazing connectivity ports, great value for money, easy to connect with additional hardware, very durable. Disadvantage: beginners might find it a bit expensive. Key features: it has magnetic crossfaders, convenient plug and play feature, supports auto standby. Its DJ software is Rekordbox DJ. Bottom line: overall, the pros of DDJ-1000 clearly outweigh its cons. This controller is highly recommended if you are searching for professional use. Pioneer is offering a great deal as DDJ-1000 to all the DJs out there. This is definitely the best DJ Pro Controller 2021 because it offers a wide range of specs with incredible quality. Thanks for watching the Pioneer DDJ-1000 review. The best Pro DJ controller 2021. You will agree with us. This is absolutely a great product. Well, you don't have to take our words for it. Please click the link in the description below this video to see hundreds and thousands of other extremely happy and satisfied customers' feedbacks. We hand-selected this DJ controller to be the best of the best and offers the most value for your money. Don't settle for anything less. To learn more, click the link in the description below. We believe you have enjoyed this review. Please subscribe to our channel. If you want us to review a product for you, please contact us and we will gladly do that. Once again, we want to say thank you for watching. Click the link below this video in the description to learn more.